everyone, today we're going to go through our trust maintenance document category. This is where you'd go to upgrade, vary, or wind up any trust that you have. Doesn't have to be one set it through us, and that is the beauty of our documents. Like I said, we have a full deed of vesting for our both discretionary and unit trusts. We have upgrades for all our trusts, either to a new deed, whether that is a leading member discretionary trust deed, a leading member non-foreign person discretionary trust. We have distribution trust minutes, as well as a deed of succession appointors or leading member appointors if you're using the leading member strategies. And we have a change of trustee document, which is so important, as it's something that happens all the time and can incur a lot of admin and a lot of fees for advisors. So we have that already packed in there. We also have a changes to discretionary trust positions, whether that is your appointor, your trustee, your beneficiary, any which way you can change it without having to cause resettlement, which is just so beneficial. Saves a lot of time, saves a lot of money. We have a declaration of trust, as well as an addition to designated beneficiaries. And again, we have more upgrades to a light year doc strategic discretionary trust, as well as a regular non-foreign person discretionary trust. This category is used or utilized so often by our advisors. It is so jam-packed full of just absolute gold standard strategies and documents that just save everyone so much time, admin and money. Get your clients to the gold standard and actually start utilizing and cleaning up their trusts in the correct way.